Thank you for joining me in a mindful moment. My name is Joe. Today we are going to be focusing on maintenance. How does maintenance relate to your well-being? Much like when we maintain our cars, with regular tune-ups, oil changes, gas or electricity when needed, changing windshield wipers, etc., for our cars to run optimally, we must maintain them. We too need maintenance to thrive and nurture our well-being. Sleep, physical activity, healthy foods, meaningful connections with others, laughter, gratitude. Maintenance for us includes all of the things you do to take care of your well-being, both physically and emotionally. The intention of today's meditation on maintenance is to offer a space for you to pause and think about what you need to maintain yourself, both physically and emotionally, in order to thrive. Let's begin. Allow yourself to get into a comfortable position. You can be sitting, lying down, or even moving in a safe and relaxing way. If you can, close your eyes and take a deep breath in, connecting with your breath. On your exhale, allow yourself to relax into this moment, bringing your breathing to its normal rhythm as you settle in and allow yourself this space to pause and focus on what maintenance you need to nurture your well-being. Simply be here with your breath for a bit. Breathe in, breathe out, turning your breath inward toward your heart, your being. You know better than anyone what your body needs. Sending yourself compassion and nurture as a mother would for a child, knowing you are worthy of the time investment to maintain your well-being. You are worthy of being your priority. Breathe into this meditation. Here, in this space you've created, you can listen. Listen to what your inner voice is telling you that you need. What do you need right now? What would help you maintain your physical body? What do you need for your emotional well-being? What does your soul need right now to flourish? Just take a moment to sit with your breath and with the answers that come to you. Breathe into this meditation. What do your body and mind need for maintenance in order to thrive? See these answers in your mind. Take in a deep breath of gratitude, and one by one, invite in each of those things you identified to come into your maintenance plan. Each of these things you know will nurture your well-being. There is no judgment on what you invited in. Remind yourself of what was discovered during this meditation. Maybe you invited in a new sleep routine. Maybe you invited in enhanced food choices to nourish your physical body. Maybe you invited in more physical activity. Maybe you invited in meaningful connections with people you care about. Maybe you invited in new opportunities to learn and grow. It's all okay, and you're worthy of it all. Now, taking a deep breath in, send yourself love and compassion. Know and believe you are worthy of taking the time needed to maintain yourself both physically and emotionally. As you continue with your day, carry this reflection with you. Thank you for sharing this mindful moment with me, and for being a part of the Vidant Health healing team. I hope you have a wonderful day.